Hi everybody, it's Karen Tralfa here. Welcome to Stampers Club. Today I have a super quick and clean, easy greeting card for you. And it is clean, simple, and easy. Let me show you what we're going to be playing with. So I started out with the Country Birdhouse stamp set, and I'm really just looking for a greeting. Any greeting would work, but I really liked the way the fonts varied on this one, hoping you have the best day ever. Now, it does come in a bundle with the Country Birdhouse dies, and I did use a couple of the floral pieces and the leaf pieces. So I didn't really get into the birdhouse. Whole nother video for that. If you want to catch on some of those videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then you'll get notified when I have one going up that's new, which is always fun. But let me show you how I created this card, okay? So I started out with a piece of Pebbled Path cardstock, a nice basic color, right? And I'm going to score it at 4 1/4 after I take that extra piece of paper out. I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. Now remember that the dark blade usually on a cutting board, or at least the one with Stampin' Up, is a cutting blade. The light one is the scoring, right? Light pressure, heavy pressure, because we don't want to cut our paper in half. We just want to score it in half. So it's scored at 4 1/4. And then bumpy side up, I'm going to bring the fold to the bottom. And I'm going to just kind of hold this at the bottom edge so that I make sure I keep my card square. Use my bone folder and go up and over. And that gives me that nice crisp edge on the top there, right? Okay. Now for my greeting, I'm going to just use, like I said, the greeting from the Country Birdhouse stamp set and some Misty Moonlight ink. And we're just going to get that nice and inked up. Now I have mine on an angle because I find that I'm able to line things up straighter when I put these on an angle. And I just want it right in the middle. Boom, done. Super easy. Any color combination you want works with this absolutely greatly. Now I'm going to mount this on a piece of Pebbled Path as soon as I find my tape. Piece of Pebbled Path cardstock. Put that right in the middle. Now I did feature this, I got something, oh no, that's just fuzzies. I did feature this card on my blog a while back on one of my Making It Monday card posts. Mondays are always clean and simple. And then I am crookeder than crap here. And then I do a Tuesday, Take It Up Tuesday. So I do a little series on my blog every week. You guys can pop on over there, stampersclub.com. You'd enjoy some of those cards over there too. Because I have videos on every single card, right? But not every. And then this, I'm going to add another piece of basic white behind it. I just want to highlight this a little bit. Sometimes the layers make the card stand out, right? And this we're going to put on our card front right in the middle. Now, this is a pretty simple card, pretty clean lines, 2 colors basically, but I'm going to add in some of those little flowers. Now, I've already pre-die cut them. I think you guys know how to die cut. If not, go watch one of my videos on how-tos. That always works too. Okay, and I'm going to use some liquid glue, but first I want to highlight these a little bit. So what I'm going to do is this is like a foam mat here. So I'm going to take my flower and I'm going to put it on my mat over here, and I'm going to take the point of my stylus, and I'm just going to kind of go in the middle and circle that around. And what's going to happen is this flower gets a little bit popped up, a little bit 3-dimensional. Yeah, and I'm going to get a glue dot on the back side of that. Let's start with this one here. Get this glue dot going. Whoops, didn't want to come off. All right, and I'm going to put that just right over here. Right there. And it kind of pops up. The petals kind of lift up off the page a little bit. It's kind of nice when it does that, right? Then I'll do the same thing with these other 2 flowers. Get my stylus going there. And as you push in the middle, it kind of stretches the paper. And see how it kind of pops it up? One's popped up and one's not. You just kind of push down in the middle. give it a little bit of a circle, and it's kind of like it's actually stretching the paper in the middle, so that kind of pushes everything up a little bit. And this one, I need to get some of this. I'm gonna do this on a dimensional, on a mini. Okay, get my dimensional out here. I'm gonna lay my leaf stem right over the top of that. And then my flower right over that. There's plenty of room for it. And we're going to kind of put that, let's see, right about there. Kind of overlay those a little bit, right? And then on the other side, I'm going to just get my leaf and a glue dot here. And carefully pull that off of there. And probably right about there. I'm going to grab one extra glue dot just to be sure that this guy stays down. Maybe. There we go. I'm not popping him up. I'm just putting him right down there. Just like that. Perfect. Pull up my edges of my flowers a little bit there. And then how about some little bit of a bling? These are the basic gray and smoky slate pearls. Super lovely. And I don't know where I did with my take my pick tool, so we're going to use scissors. I'm going to grab, let's see, there's two shades here. So this is like a darker shade. Put those on my pink flowers there. Right in the middle. Give me some little bit of flower centers. And then I'll get a lighter one to put on the blue, just using the small one. So put that on the blue one down there. So there's even two different colors. And there you have it, my friends. One very easy, like really, this is like a 2 or 3 minute card. Super easy greeting card. Lovely, looks great. Oh, my camera's not focusing. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's funny. But again, I did do this as a part of my Making It Monday series, Making It Monday, Take It Up Tuesday series. So you can pop on over to stampersclub.com and check out, and you get all the measurements for this too. And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comments. Let me know whether these are the kind of cards that you'd like to see get made. And or if you'd like something specific, just let me know. With love, 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 love to give that to you. All right, you guys have a stamp happy day. I'll be back again. Bye for now.